Hello everyone, my name is Nuvela and welcome to a new video. Today we're building the Nitwit Retreat, a starter house that I built in the trading village, which is a video that if you haven't seen it already, I highly recommend doing so. I'll link to it in the end of the video. As mentioned, today we're building a starter house. In the video it's called Nitwit Retreat because it's a home for the nitwit. But you can also use it as a starter house. So without further ado, let me show you how to build this. Let's go! Here you can see the layout of the build. We're gonna start off by creating a ring out of cobblestone all the way around the main building. At the side we are going to create 2 rows of cobblestone as well. And then we will place 3 cobblestone stairs right here and 2 cobblestone walls at the corner. At the front of the building, place down 2 cobblestone blocks like this, with a stair in the middle, and 2 walls just like so. Fill in the floor by creating a checkerboard pattern out of oak planks and stripped oak wood. We are then going to create pillars of 4 blocks high out of stripped spruce wood. You can connect these on the 4th level. And on the side of the build where our crafting area is going to be, place down 2 columns of 3 blocks high, like this. Time to fill in the walls using a combination of oak planks and stripped oak wood. Create a doorway by leaving 2 blocks open like this. On this side we are going to create 2 windows. Also use a mix of oak planks and stripped oak wood. And leave 2 windows open like this. To create a little bit more depth, you can place down 2 upside down stairs here. And then place 2 spruce fences. At the back wall, leave the middle column open. This is where we are going to create a chimney. On the side where all of our crafting stations will be, you can fill in the entire wall. To finish the entryway, place down 2 spruce fences on top of the cobblestone walls with 3 spruce slabs in this order. As an easy entryway, you can place down a trapdoor right here. This makes sure that you can enter but nothing else can, except for creepers though. So a better way to do it would be to place an oak stair upside down right here with a door just like this. Now you can get in and out, and if you close the door, be safe inside. At the back side of the build, place down brick stairs upside down right here and a campfire underneath. Place a spruce trapdoor in front of it, then make your way outside to the back of the build, where we are going to create the base of the chimney. Using a combination of brick blocks and brick stairs, you can make this kind of shape, giving it a real chimney feeling. Next we are going to work on the roof. Place down an upside down spruce stair at the corner and place a normal spruce stair 1 block outward from the frame of the building. Alternate these blocks to the other side, and once you get to the other side, place down an upside down stair behind this one, a spruce plank on top of it and a spruce stair block on top of that. Connect another upside down one next to it, place another one on top of that, and then you're at the middle, so you can place an upside down stair facing to the outside and a normal stair facing up towards the inside. Now you've got the basic shape of your roof. You want to repeat this on the other side and connect the 2. You can then move to the other side and finish the edge of the roof just like that. There you go, that's the edge of your roof. Now on the second floor, place down 2 stripped oak wood, like this, and 4 oak planks in this order. Your upper floor now has walls, and it also has some place for windows. We're now going to fill in the roof. Start by placing a row of Deepslate brick. Then place a Deepslate brick stair right here. Skip a block, because that's where our chimney is gonna go. Place down another stair. Skip 3 blocks and place down another stair. You should be at the other side right now. And at these 3 blocks, we are going to create an extra window. Finish this side of the roof by placing down Deepslate brick stairs all the way across, except if you get to the middle of the 3, let's say empty blocks, place down a full block. Grab some Deepslate tiled stairs and place these just like so. Place down a spruce fence in the hole and you now have a window at your upper floor. Create the chimney by placing down 2 brick blocks with a campfire on top and surround this with trapdoors. I use spruce trapdoors, and place a brick wall on top. There you go, that's this side of the roof. Well, fill in the other side of the roof as well. You don't need to create a chimney here, but you do need the 3 spaces for an extra window. Don't forget to use Deepslate tiled stairs. Gives it just this little bit more detail. And finish the roof by creating a line of alternating spruce slabs and spruce trapdoors across the roof like this. You can place down 2 trapdoors on top of the windows. There you go. Your roof is pretty much finished. For the crafting area, grab some spruce fences and place these at the side like this, 3 blocks high, and you should now be at the same level as the edge of the roof. You can place down some campfires on top, extinguish those, and your crafting area now has a roof. You can replace some of the campfires with spruce slabs to give it a bit more detail. And after that, you can place all of the crafting stations you frequently use in the nook right here. And let's make sure that we put some light in here as well by placing down a lantern right here. That's pretty much it for the outside for now. Let's work on the inside for a bit. Start by creating a ceiling out of spruce planks and leave the corner open on the left side. Place down some ladders to get up to the upper floor. When you get up there, place down some fences in the windows. And you can place down some brick blocks right here to make it look as if the chimney is extending through this upper floor. I like to create some storage here, so you can place down some chests, some barrels, and of course don't forget to light it up. To give it a little bit more of a sturdy look, you can place down some spruce slabs along the line right here. Place down a spruce trapdoor on top of the ladders. And place down some carpets to give it a bit more of a homely feeling. That's pretty much it for the upper floor. Downstairs, we're going to place down 2 bookshelves with a bed on top, surrounded by spruce signs. And we can place down a ladder right here to get up into our bed. we're going to create a little table right here and create another table slightly bigger right here. This is because I'm going to place down a lectern here, which I'll use to put down my diary. Of course, we want to light it up, and I always like to, well, put down some item frames and some plants to give it a bit more of a cozy feeling as well. In these item frames, I always like to store my first diamond, my first pickaxe, some special items such as a conduit, usually a spare totem of undying, and maybe another flower right here. Of course, don't forget your book and quill. If you didn't know, you can write down in these and, for example, use it as a to-do list or just write down whatever happened to you. Again, you can place down some carpet to give it a bit more of a homely feeling. And in front of the door, you can actually place down a pressure plate, which automatically opens and closes the door to the outside, so you don't have to manually close it all the time. We're actually pretty much done already. We're just going to decorate the outside a little bit more. You can place down a trapdoor with a leaf on top at the upper floor window and place down some leaves around the build. For example, on top of the edge of the roof. You can replace a campfire with a leaf. You can also place it inside of the roof. But if you do so, do note that you will have a hole inside of your roof. So maybe you don't want to do it like this. But I'm just giving you a bunch of examples. Do whatever floats your boat. I like to create some bushes around the entrance as well. Something that I think is very important to do is to make it look as if the building was really placed here inside of this environment. You can create this by placing down coarse dirt around the entire build. Of course, you can create a pathway from your front door towards the crafting area. Place down some grass and some stone buttons to create a little bit more detail as well. And these stone buttons can act as pebbles. And as a final step, make sure to light up the entire area by placing down lanterns on the roof's edges. And you know what? Let's relocate this lantern to right here. And pretty much the final thing to do is to name the building. Because you can use it either as a home for the nitwit, as a home for yourself. Let's just call it The Retreat. And that's it. That's the entire build. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, that it was easy enough to follow. If so, leave a like. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And stick around, consider subscribing. You can join our Discord and share your builds in there, or get inspired by others. And you can support me by becoming a channel member. You will get access to all the world downloads. Or if you would like to buy me a coffee, you can do that as well. All of those links are in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great day. See you in the next one. Cheers!